Hi, my name is Carlos Osorio. For semester administration student, let's talk fire flower. Each day is the flower fair is massive traditional event that is held every year in the city of Medellin. This festival is the most emblematic celebration of the city which constitutes a cultural and historical icon. The activity that guide love to the flower fair are many. This is the most representative and parade of classic art, Silleteros Parade, concert, parade of the walk, excuse me. Invite all those people they enjoy the flower fair and fall in love with Antioquia. Thanks for your attention.